I think I'll start with a big thanks to you.
Yes.
And how we found is like I was going through your profile on Facebook, and I see a lot of praises people are making for you in your posts. And before that, I actually talked to so many realtors, but somehow I was not convinced with their approach. They were like pushing me, "This is the best time. You should buy, otherwise you never know what would happen." And then I decided to talk to you, and I immediately pinged, I guess, and there was a response from your side. And then we spoke over the phone immediately, right? And I like the way you actually stated the entire scenario at that time of the real estate, right? What should I do? Or, people like me who are in that scenario, right? What they are supposed to do. I remember you said, wait for some time, I mean, don't rush into it. Do not get panic. Wait for your time, and we'll see. And at that time, I think my Kia was not there, and it was like I was trying to move into pre-constructions, and you said not to get into pre-construction. We'll wait for your PR and then have patience. I like that overall approach. There was no rush from your side as such. Which I liked actually. No other realtor actually told me. Everyone want to just get into something. So that's how I actually liked you and overall approach.
The process is, I would say, it's very smooth, the smoothest of all that we can even think of. Why I say so? Because like the first meeting I still remember, we met online, and we had Ankur in front of us, and he was ready with all the plans, and he was there to help us out with the selling price of each of the houses, what exactly is going on in the market at present. So that was the first step. I myself is not well aware of the market conditions, how is it going. So talking to him made the things really easy, and thereafter there was, I say, a trust that we built in. And because his approach, his knowledge, his skills, everything like was super, is way better than the other realtors that we have been in touch so far. So we had no second thought of going to any other realtor and discussing requirements,
And
anything.
I would add one more thing to it. Ankur made us comfortable. First of all,
Yes.
that was the best part.
Ankur is the one like who um, helped in cracking the deal with all his best of the skills. I must say, I don't have the words to explain how the process was, but yes, it was really good.
Yeah, I mean, on the day of offer, right? I think it started somewhere afternoon.
Yes, it
noon
was around
time.
4 o'clock. Like
No, I think we started from noon itself, but
Yeah.
towards the end we figured
Yeah.
out okay it was on 4. But the
Yeah.
tension started from there, and then I think by evening we were almost having call after every 5-10 minutes like
yes,
that.
yes,
And Ankur was constantly, giving us updates what's going on as if he
Yeah.
was sitting over there. I don't know what he was doing, but we were getting the live updates.
yes. I must say, Ankur gave like his 200% to get this deal for us, because he knew that this is the one which is going to match all of our requirements. So he just gave everything that he could to get this for us.
And I remember at one point when you said, right, there are around 12 offers and there are few folks which are,
Yeah.
I mean, we are not even in top 3, I guess, right?
Yeah,
And at that time, I kind of lost hope.
yeah.
And I pinged him and I said, what's your say? He said, we're
But
going to
he
get
said,
it.
let me try now, my way.
And then he said, I think 90% on our side.
Yeah,
And when he said 90%, I said, okay, maybe we will break through this. We are going to get
yeah,
this. And I just literally, from inside, it was like, we're going to get it.
yeah.
And I
it was
think-
around 11 p.m.
I think, yeah, 10:30, 11.
10:30, 11.
We
then-
got the news. Yes.
Was a
Yes,
day
and
full
a
of
great reaction.
anxiety.
Yay, we did it from Ankur, and that was it.
Nice.
That was it. But this house, the moment we saw it, it clicked like this is the one which is going to satisfy all our needs in all respects. It is going to be our dream house. So, and yes, Ankur was really helpful. Even we always welcomed his suggestions, and it was a big yes from his end too. So we all worked really hard towards it.
Opportunity. Very happy for you. Very
Thank
happy
you
to
so
see
much,
you are
Ankur, for all
excited
your help.
and you're happy.
Big
Thank
thanks,
you.
big thanks.